Hello and welcome to Com Science Simplified. In today's video, we'll look into functions that work by accepting callbacks and try to convert them into functions that work with promises. The link to the REPL program will be shared in the description. Let's get started. Let us start by looking at a function that works on the basis of callback. This getFruits function that we have here works on the basis of a callback. It accepts a callback function and then runs that function after a delay of 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. If we want to run this function, we can do something like getFruits and then pass in console.log to it, which means once we run this code, console.log will get executed after 1 second and we get the response, which is apple, orange, banana printed onto the console. Let's say we do not want to do things in this fashion. Let's say that we want to get access to the fruits by doing something like const fruits is equal to get fruits, and then we would have access to the fruits in this nice little fruits variable and we can decide to do whatever we want with that. This is not possible with the current way in which the getFruits function is structured, and hence we will need to modify it and make it capable of returning us a promise. And then we can do anything that we want to do with that promise, like doing a dot then or doing a dot catch, etc. In order to make getFruits function be able to work with promises, we'll need to promisify it. Let's see how that can be done. We will first need to write a wrapper function called promisify. What will happen is we will call the function promisify and then pass it the function which we want to promisify, which currently works on the basis of a callback, and then this promisify function will return us a new function. So let's return that new function from inside of it, and inside that we create a new promise. What should happen inside this promise can be taken care later, but for now we know that promisify is a wrapper function. It returns us a new function, which is a promisified function. Now, in order to create every promise, we would have to supply it a function as an argument, which gets executed right when this promise is created. This function gets called with two arguments, resolve and reject. What do we do inside this promise? Let's name this function as func for the sake of keeping it a more generic one. Now, inside this, we are calling func, which means we are executing the function that works on the basis of callbacks. But what callback do we supply this? Well, we supply it resolve. What that means is the original function that works on the basis of callback, it's getting supplied the resolve function of the promise, which means as soon as the 1000 millisecond gets completed, resolve will be called. And in the entire process, if any error happens, then reject would be called with that error. And this is the function which would promisify getFruits for us. Let's run that and get a promisified version of our function. Now, promisified is the version of this callback function which works on the basis of promises. So let's call that, and whatever result we are getting, we will be console logging it. Let's comment the old call to the getFruits function and let's run this. We see that we get the result just like in the case before. In the case where we called the function as a callback based function, we had to supply a console.log to it, which is no longer the case. We are able to call the function independently, get the result from it, and then work on top of the result. We can take this one step ahead and we can also do something like fruits is equal to and then call promisified. What this would do is call the promisified function, await on the promise, get the result and assign it to fruits. And this is how we have now converted a function based on callback into a function that works on the basis of promises by using this handy little promisify function. If you like that, make sure you check out other videos on this channel and also subscribe to get notified of all the future ones too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.